Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful and elegant silk thread earrings. So in each and every tutorial, I try to make the jewelry in very simple steps so that beginners can learn to make jewelry very easily and also they can enjoy the jewelry making process. So in this tutorial also, I have followed very simple steps which you will really enjoy watching. So do watch this tutorial till the end and try to make this earring at home. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up. Also, you can share and comment on it. If you are new here, I suggest you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started. Material required is crystal beads. I have taken in this black shade. Tire beads, so we need two sizes of tire beads, so this is a small size and this is the big size of tire beads. Then a black thread, so I have taken black thread because of which I have taken black colored crystal beads, but you can choose as per your choice. Then eye pins, earring hook and a designer sheet or canvas, Fevibond glue, plier and scissor, and also we need comb as we have silk thread. So first of all we take one crystal bead I'm going to apply in such a way that this whole of the crystal bead will come to up front like this, and then we are going to apply tire beads which are in small size. So we are going to apply it in this way that the hole will come to sideways and not like this crystal bead. So in this way we are going to make a round of these all beads. So I will quickly do the round. Now we are going to apply another layer of big beads, big tire beads in the same manner, that is this hole will come to side, so I'll do that quickly. Okay, now again we are going to apply one layer of small tire beads. So let me do that. If you carefully follow all the steps mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make the earrings. So now we are going to add one layer of crystal beads. So I'll apply them in the same manner wherein I have added one bead, that is I will keep the hole up front now, unlike tire beads. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel
and make sure to like, share and comment to this video.
So you can see I have applied this and it is looking so pretty. So we'll make a stud of this tire wheels. So for that, what we'll do is we're taking ample amount of glue, and first of all I'll take one bigger size tire bead and apply it here, and then I'll take these smaller beads and make a circle. I'll do that quickly. Okay, now again we are going to add one round of this bigger tire wheel. So here I will keep this hole up front. So here I will keep this hole up front like this. So we'll quickly apply it to the whole circle. Okay, so I have added this. Now we will again add some tire wheels, and we will add it in zigzag manner. So first of all I'll apply ample glue because everything depends on the glue. So now you can add like literally like anyhow this up front side. We are again going to apply some few beads above this. So make sure to apply ample glue because everything depends on the glue here, and you can literally put it in any manner. That's totally fine. Now I am again going to add one tire bead here. So here I will keep this hole above to form a dome shaped structure like this. So now we have almost 75% done. So we'll wait for this to get dry and then we'll apply silk thread to this. So these are dried properly. You can see. We will cut it in proper shapes and then we'll stick the stud and silk thread to this. So I'll cut this quickly. So you can see I have cutted this. Now we'll take this black silk thread, and also I am taking this lead which I will be using it for wrapping. So I'll wrap it from this ends and I'll go on wrapping up to 50 rounds. So I'll quickly do that. So I have done with 50 rounds. Let's see if it will be enough. Actually we don't have to cover this hole, sorry I forgot to the design, but we will only cover this much and we'll keep 20% open like this. Okay, this area will remain open without beads. Now to this remaining area we are going to apply this silk thread. So what I am going to do is I cut them in half. And we are going to stick all of them now using Bond glue. So this may not come in proper size now, but once it gets right correctly, we'll cut it to have a correct form. So for now just stick it. So we have applied this. Now what we will do is we'll apply one eye pin. So we don't want this much big eye pin. I'll cut a little portion and I'll apply it here. And then I'm going to just keep this fabric on above of this. I won't cut it any shape now because this is a round shape, so we can cut it very correctly later. Now I'm taking this one, so I'll keep it aside for a while. I'm taking this one. And I'll measure how much of this is required, and here I will insert this stud, and then I'll apply a glue here. And then keep this stud upward. So with this, our stud will be ready once it gets dried. So now again we'll wait for a few minutes to get this dry, and then we'll just attach them together. So let them get dry now. This has dried up properly now. I'll cut it in proper shape, and I'll do that quickly. Make sure to cut it very diligently because otherwise the silk thread will get cutted by mistakenly, and you may have to do the double work. Now I comb them once they are combed, they will be in proper shape. And you can see that one portion was coming, it was going inside. So I have cutted this and it is looking so pretty. Now I'll quickly cut this one and we'll come back to you. So I have cutted this. Now we are just have to attach these both eye pins together. So I'll open this once because it's in my hand now. And I'll make sure that this is coming in the front. And we'll close this firmly. So with this our beautiful funky chunky earrings are ready, and these are our second earrings.
I hope that you found this video helpful, or if so, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can put your valuable feedback in the comments box and let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.